First, just unlock the front hood and make sure the door's closed, car's unlocked. I'll tell you why later. And then you pop open the hood. And my old battery is measuring 12.4 at rest. You want this to be 12.6. My old battery was 7 years old to this day. And the new battery measures 12.6, which is great. The battery's been sitting out for 7 weeks in my garage. Bought it September 2022. So I'm gonna have to loosen these two bolts, and they don't have to come off, just loose, so those hooks underneath can come out. And then I'm gonna need to disconnect the positive and the negative by turning just again loosen that nut there. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So I'm just removing the top bracket right now. Before you disconnect the battery, you want to make sure the car's unlocked, because otherwise it's going to sync. There's a theft and it will raise the alarm. So the cars should be unlocked and all the doors should be closed, including windows and the roof. And then you're ready to disconnect. These are the hooks that hold down the battery. We'll take off the negative ends first. That's gonna minimize sparking. On this, you can press this little tap and you can get this to come off. And I'm gonna just protect the positive end with a bag insulated. First, I'm removing the sleeve around the battery because it's easier to take off. And then for the battery itself, I put a band underneath it so it's easier to lift. So you want to make sure the old battery and the new batteries are exact same size and the positive ends line up. So in this case, the negative end here lines up with the negative there. So these two are exact same. This is the Mazda OEM, and that's the Costco Kirkland Group 35 battery. The Costco 35 type battery was $139 plus $10 deposit. You get a $10 deposit back if you return the old battery. It has a 4-year warranty, and then after 4 years up to, I believe, 8 years. Between 4 and 8, you get a partial refund if you return it. So quite good. It doesn't say on the user manual when you should replace your battery, but on the internet seems to say about after 5 years. My original car battery from the Mazda car lasted 7 years with very little problem. Just one time it wouldn't start, but not much problem otherwise. So I'm just putting everything back now. Without pressing the brake pedal, I'm gonna start the electrical so the computer can reboot and get used to the new battery. And once that's done, I'm going to press the brake now and start. And once it starts, I can see there's no warning lights, so things seems to be working, and everything appears normal, no warning lights. Now the only thing is the auto window. If I press and hold, it won't go down. So you can see the window lost the ability. So what we can do is bring it all the way up and then hold up for 5 seconds to reset the switch. Now let's try that again. There we go. And now it's working. Same for auto up. That's it. Good as new. 好的. Yeah, so that was a